SmileTune AI is one of the best just released AI software tools that's causing a real buzz. But is it really worth the hype? In this SmileTune AI review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if it's right for you. Make sure you stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing a secret about the software that could change the way you work with AI forever. First off, SmileTune AI is designed to help you create personalized and engaging content. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or just someone looking to streamline your workflow, this tool is built to simplify your content creation process. It leverages AI to generate tailored messaging and content that resonates with your target audience. So, if you're tired of spending hours writing or brainstorming ideas, SmileTune can definitely speed things up for you. One of the coolest things about SmileTune AI is its advanced personalization features. It doesn't just spit out generic content, it understands your audience, your style, and your voice, adapting accordingly. This means that whether you're creating a social media post, a blog, or an email, SmileTune can adjust the tone and messaging to fit the context perfectly. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with getting content to feel authentic or aligned with their brand. Another thing you'll love about SmileTune AI is how easy it is to use. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can jump right in. It's designed to save you time, not make you figure out complex processes. Plus, the setup is simple, and you can start creating content in just minutes. The tool also features real-time collaboration. This is perfect if you're working with a team or need to share drafts with clients. You can seamlessly collaborate, make edits, and approve content all within the platform. This functionality eliminates the back and forth email chains and constant version tracking that usually slow down the content creation process. Now, let's talk about the AI's ability to adapt to your feedback. Unlike other AI tools, SmileTune learns from your input, getting smarter with each piece of content you create. It listens to your edits and suggestions, making future outputs more in line with your expectations. This iterative improvement sets SmileTune apart from many other AI software on the market. One thing I really appreciate about SmileTune AI is its versatility. It's not just about writing text. You can use it for email marketing, generating social media posts, and even content for your website. This wide array of applications means you're not just getting a one-trick pony. It's a tool that can scale as your needs grow. Lastly, SmileTune AI is backed by a solid support team. If you run into any issues or have questions about how to maximize the tool, their support team is responsive and ready to help. The community around SmileTune is also growing, with plenty of resources and tutorials available to guide you along the way. If you're curious about giving SmileTune AI a try, you can check out the free trial through the first link in the description below. Don't forget that I've also got a list of my recommended AI software options down there that you can try for free. After testing out thousands of AI tools, I'm confident SmileTune is a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their content creation. So that's a wrap on this SmileTune AI review if you're looking to streamline your content process and bring your ideas to life faster. This software is definitely worth considering.